Have you been looking for a way to get paid faster and more securely? Deel is a global payroll and payments platform that makes it easy for businesses to hire and pay people all over the world. If you're a freelancer or contractor, Deel can be a great way to get paid. In this video, we'll show you how to link your bank account to Deel so that you can start receiving payments. Step 1. Create a Deel account. If you don't already have a Deel account, you'll need to create one. Go to the Deel website and click on the Sign Up button. Once you've created your account, you'll need to verify your identity. This can be done by providing a copy of your government-issued ID and a recent utility bill. Step 2. Add your bank account. Once your account is verified, you can add your bank account. Go to the Settings tab and click on Bank Accounts. Enter your bank account information, including your bank name, account number, and routing number. Once you've entered your information, click on the Save button. Step 3. Verify your bank account. Once you've added your bank account, you'll need to verify it. Deel will send a small amount of money to your bank account. Once you receive the money, you'll need to log into your Deel account and enter the amount in the verification amount field. Once you've verified your bank account, you'll be able to start receiving payments from Deel. Additional tips. Deel supports a variety of payment methods, including bank transfers, PayPal, and Payoneer. You can set up automatic payments to your bank account. You can view your payment history in the Transactions tab. You can contact Deel support if you have any questions. Linking your bank account to Deel is a quick and easy process. Once you've done it, you can start receiving payments from clients all over the world. If you're looking for a way to get paid faster and more securely, I encourage you to sign up for Deel today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.